Today's learning goal is I can count forwards and backwards by twos. So today we're going to talk about counting forwards by twos. So here's my hundreds chart. You would start zeros off the map. You go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We're just skipping every other one. And what we're actually doing is we're counting the even numbers. Maybe you've heard this word before. And they're even because they could be split into two equal groups and it'll be the same number in each. There's none left out. All of the other numbers are called odd numbers. And if you try to split them into two groups, there's one left out. Like here, I tried to put 7 into two groups and there's two groups of 3, there's one left out. But this is not too hard to know because the even numbers always end with a 0, a 2, a 4, a 6, or an 8. And we can always split them up. But that's an aside. Today we're going to practice counting by twos forwards, like I said. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Next row, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Going forwards, like going towards 2 to 100. Also going backwards would be a good challenge to see if you could start somewhere. Let's pick, say, 38, and we count backwards. We'd have to go 38, 36, 34, 32, 30 by twos. In the video I showed, there were some kids that were also counting backwards by twos. Maybe you saw that. I'm going to show you your work today, and then away you go. You don't need to get out your bundles and ones today. I just wanted to show you a few to keep you thinking about this, and I just want you to shout them out. So what do you see here? I have a 10 bundle and 2 more. Do you say 12? It is 12. Okay, what if I add 2 more? Did you say 14? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Do one more. What about now? Did you see how many I added? There's 6 in the ones column and there's 110. That's 16. I'm gonna do one more. How many do we have here? 2 10s and 2 1s. Did you say 22? Because we have 10, 20, 21, 22. Well done. Today's job is to add all the even numbers to your chart. And we do have some already. All these 10s are even numbers. They could be split into 2 equal groups. But we have some more that we're going to add. Just quickly before we start that, I just want to talk one more little bit about even. So an even number is any number. For example, 4 is an even number because I can split it equally into 2 groups. An odd number, let's try 5. 5 is an odd number, kind of like 13 in that Bean 13 story, because if I try to split it into 2 equal groups, there'll be 1 left over. And that's how you know what an odd number is. Let's look at our chart. We're going to fill in all of the even numbers, right, from 0 to 100. So we do 1, 2 is our first even number. 2, we'll skip 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now the pattern continues. We can go 10, skip 11, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Do you see the number stays the same in this here in the ones? 24, 26, 28. We're gonna keep going. 20, oh, almost a mistake. 30, 32. This is why I should be using a pencil. 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Now I have all my even numbers on here, plus I also have the row of 5s because of the day before. That's all your work is for today. Enjoy your math.